In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Notion. Quick tutorial. We're keeping this simple and fast, but I'll also give you enough context so you feel confident using it in any workspace. The goal is to place a file right where you need it on a Notion page using one quick command, then choose the best way to attach it. Start by clicking into the spot on your page where you want the file to appear. This can be anywhere, under a heading, between paragraphs, or inside a section you're working on. With your cursor there, type /file and press enter. That small slash command is Notion's shortcut for creating a file block. It saves you from opening menus and lets you work without breaking your flow. As soon as you press enter, Notion will prompt you to either upload or embed the file. Here's how to decide. Choose Upload if you want to add a copy of the file from your computer directly into Notion. This is great when you need the file stored with the page for easy access by teammates, and it keeps everything in one place. Keep in mind that larger files can take a moment to process, and they count toward your workspace's storage. Choose Embed if the file already lives elsewhere and you want to reference it without duplicating it. You'll paste a link to the hosted file, and Notion will point to that original source. This is useful when you want a single source of truth, like a shared drive file that updates over time. Just remember, anyone viewing the page will also need permission to see that external link. Once you've uploaded or embedded, your file block appears on the page. You'll see the file name, and for many file types, Notion will show a preview or a download button. Clicking it will either open a preview in Notion or take you to the external link, depending on which option you chose. A clear file name helps others recognize what it is at a glance, and adding a short line of context above or below the block can make it even more useful. If the command doesn't seem to work, make sure your cursor is in an empty spot and that you typed /file with no extra spaces. If you're offline, uploads will queue and finish when you reconnect. And with very large files, give Notion a moment to process. That's it. Type /file, press enter, choose upload or embed, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.